I'm given angle side side, which is an ambiguous case. Now I have to figure out if I have 0, 1, or 2 triangles. Because in this triangle, 20.5 is an acute angle, I'm going to have to test for 2. So the first triangle, I know that A is 20.5 and the side length of 8 is 12. I also know the side length of B is 31. So the next piece I'm going to find is angle B. I'll eventually find angle C and side C if needed. So I'm going to set up a ratio. 12 is to the sine of 20.5 equals 31 is to the sine of angle B. When I find this and solve, I get angle B equals 64.8 degrees. So 64.8 degrees. All right, at this point, I'm not going to continue until I set up my second triangle. We'll call this triangle A prime. Well, the things that are given will stay the same. So angle A and side A prime will stay the same. Side B prime will also stay the same. To figure out angle B prime, I find the supplement angle. So I take 180 and I subtract 64.8, and when I do that, I get 115.2 degrees. There's an obtuse angle there. I will continue to find C prime and see the length C prime as well. All right, let's go back to the blue triangle. To find C, I'm going to take 180 and subtract 20.5 and also subtract 64.8. And when I do that, I get 94.7. Here is my one obtuse angle. Then I have to find side C. So I'm going to take 12 divided by sine of 20.5 equals side C over the angle of 94.7. When I do this, I get angle C is 24.2 degrees. 24.2 degrees. Now I'm going to have to finish the triangle that is red. I'm going to start by taking 180, subtracting 20.5, and also subtracting 115.2, and I get 44.3. Here is my one obtuse angle, so I have to continue. I'm going to set up a function, a ratio of 12 to the sine of 20.5 equals C prime over the sine of 44.3. When I plug that in my calculator, angle C prime is approximately 23.9, so 23.9. So before I say that I agree with all of these answers, I want to do a mental check. And I notice on my mental check that this is the largest angle, that is not the largest side. So I went back and put it in my calculator again and realized I made a mistake, and this should have been 34.2. Hopefully you found that before. If not, you can change it now. The smallest angle and the smallest side, so we're good there. On the red triangle, this is the largest angle, B, and that is the largest side. This is the smallest angle, and this is the smallest side. So now it looks like my two triangles are good.